Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Currently it's Sunday. I was just doing some vlogging with Christian and I'm filming multiple videos today, but I wanted to come on and do a little weight loss update video for you guys. Recently, I've been posting some workout video clips on Instagram, which is the first time I've ever done that. I've been taking my nice camera to the gym and filming just like my entire workout, and then I'll like speed it up and chop it up into a 1-minute clip for Instagram, just because I love following other accounts where I see actual workout exercises, and I thought you guys would like that. And you guys have been so sweet and commenting and so supportive, and just like that you can definitely tell a change in my body, which makes me so happy, because obviously the physical and healthy lifestyle change is for me, but just to know that it's now kind of showing on the outside is just super exciting. So you guys are the best. Thank you so much. But a lot of you guys are new followers to my channel and you've wanted to know how I've lost weight, what I'm eating, what products I'm using in my routine. So I've done other weight loss videos here on my channel, but this year, ever since about August, I've been super strict. From August through the end of this year, I want to just be in my absolute best shape. I have like 11 more pounds to lose by January the 1st to go into January at the lowest weight I've ever been at in like my adult life, and to not have a New Year's resolution of getting in shape next year, and to just already go into next year feeling so great. So yeah, thank you guys so much for just like all the positivity. It means so much to me, and I've come on Instagram and Twitter and followed a bunch of you guys back who have like fitness accounts and stuff. So yeah, I wanted to come on, and I have a bunch of products here that I use in my personal like eating routine and fitness routine that I'm going to share with you. And I did like a little physique update, I guess, which I have never really done because it's not like I'm competing or anything. But in the gym after my workout, I did record like how my body currently looks right now, so you guys can tell on video. I know sometimes it's a little hard to tell exactly with pictures, but yeah, I do have a little like video clip of my body that I'm gonna put at the end of this video so you can see how far I've come. So as of yesterday, when I stepped on the scale, I was 19 pounds down from my highest weight this year, which was in August, which is like so good. I'm so happy for that. That's why I said I have 11 more to lose to be down a total of 30, which is just like my full main goal. So a lot of you guys do ask what I'm eating. I've been eating strictly vegetarian now for over 5 months. I did put up some videos a while back that I was trying to be strictly vegan, which I don't want to say is like hard. I definitely enjoyed it and everything. Even now, I'm still like 95% vegan, I guess, but I know I can't call myself vegan because I do have some dairy products here and there which I integrate into my routine, which don't upset my stomach or anything. But I have cut meat out completely, which has made me feel definitely more energetic, and I think that I don't have as much acne on my face, which is good. Just like feeling better like within my skin and my whole body. So mostly the way that I've lost weight is just cleaning up my diet like that, eating a lot smaller portions, 3 meals a day and 3 snacks, and I work out so much, you guys. Like, I love working out. I have found such a passion for lifting weights. I go 4 to 5 times a week. If you do want to follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, I post my workouts and I'll let you know like what I did for the day. And I will still be putting more videos up on this channel of full workouts so you guys can see them. But I've gotten so into lifting weights, and it's so fun for me and so therapeutic, and I just truly love going to the gym. So being a lot stricter on my meals and cutting out the fast food and the overload of dairy and ice cream, and really just staying consistent on my working out is how I have lost weight. So I do want to share with you guys the products that I use in my routine. I posted some of this stuff the other day on Snapchat. I posted like a little drink I was having in the morning, and I was like, oh, morning routine like usual. And I was surprised at how many questions I got back of like, what's in that? What tea is that? Like, what's in that lemon water? Because I feel like I've told you guys this stuff, like I've talked about this stuff so many times, but I have to remind myself that I have so many new followers who don't know any of this. So it might be a little repetitive if you're already a subscriber of mine. But the last weight loss video I did, I think I had 170-ish thousand subscribers, and now we're at 230, which that's a whole nother video. It like blows my mind. You guys are just the best. Thank you so much. But that's like 50,000 of you who have no idea what I use. So yeah, I'm gonna go over all the products that I currently use. So in the morning, I do have a full glass of water. I'm actually having one right now too. I try to have like 4 or 5 of these a day. But in the morning, I will have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in there because the health benefits are just off the charts. Just Google it, it's amazing for you. And when you put a tablespoon in such a big cup of water like this, you can barely even taste it. And then I will put a lemon slice or 2 in there. So I'll have that before breakfast as well. Sometimes I don't really eat too much breakfast in the morning. If I go work out right away, I'll just have something more after my workout. I'll have a protein shake and the majority of my calories later in the day. I'm usually not super hungry for breakfast in the morning because I will have this water and my tea, so I don't know, I don't really want to feel like too heavy when I do go work out in the mornings, which is a majority of the time. And then I will also have a tea. If you've been following my channel for a super long time, you know that I drink the Fit Life. I've mentioned this. I mentioned this in my very first weight loss video last August. When I very first started cleaning up my diet and working out, I lost 10 pounds in my first month. And that was due to just being super consistent in the gym. I switched up my eating and I was drinking this twice a day. And the first month I lost 10.5 pounds. So it's a little harder now because I'm a little bit further into my fitness journey. But if you're just starting out and you are just completely committed to living a much healthier lifestyle, I'd highly recommend that you guys try this. I've talked about this one in probably like 5 or 6 videos on my channel. You can go check it out. I don't vary between like other Instagram teas and like come on in different videos and let you guys know about like a new amazing tea you should try. If you're a new subscriber of mine, if I like something, I keep it in my routine, and that's something I'll mention like over and over. So this is organic. I mentioned this the other day on Snapchat. A lot of you guys were asking. So this one is the 14-day detox. They do also have a 28-day. They offer both on the website. Their whole website is pretty affordable, and I do have my same discount code that they had, eyelash, that they gave me last year. I will leave it down below for you guys if you want to try it out and get a discount. They just come in like cute like little packets here. The reason so many of you asked about it on Snap the other day, get your words out, when I posted it, is because the tea is pink. It comes out like a pink reddish color, which looks really cool, and a lot of you were like, which one is that? But yeah, they have a 14-day pack, and then they also have a 28-day pack, and it's an all organic tea. And for me, what I noticed, especially starting my fitness journey last year, is that it really helped with the de-bloating. So in my stomach area, the most self-conscious thing that I hate is whenever I pull up jeans or leggings or whatever, and you have like that extra stomach fat like over that area, and it looks like bulgy-ish like around your jeans. Like that to me is the most uncomfortable thing, and especially when you're on your period and you just want something to like completely de-bloat you and really just help with the stomach fat. That is what I would really recommend that tea for. And if you're also committed to eating healthy and working out, a lot of people think with like a supplements or like the Instagram teas, they can just keep eating McDonald's or like fast food and throw a tea in there and you're just gonna lose all this weight. No, it's a big helper if you're willing to like commit yourself to the healthy lifestyle. I think adding in the protein shakes, the supplements, tea, any like additional product will help you on your weight loss journey if you're already like fully committing yourself to the process. You know what I mean? You can't, of course, you can't keep eating fast food and like trying to out-train a shitty diet and stuff. Like that's not gonna work. But all these products are amazing and will help you get to your goals faster if you're truly willing to like commit to that lifestyle change. So yeah, I genuinely have loved this. You can, if you guys go watch my old video in August when I mentioned this, my face was so much fatter than it is today. So hey for the weight loss. It's funny to like look back at some of my older videos. I'm like, girl, your face and like all right here was so much more chubby. But anyways, check out that tea. I'll link it down below there for you guys. And at the gym, a lot of you are asking which headphones I use. I will link them down below. They're from iFrogs, which I got on Amazon because I had the Beats by Dr. Dre 2 times, which I repurchased the wireless ones, which I love, but the first time I lost them, the second time they were stolen from the gym, and I didn't want to pay 200 bucks again for wireless headphones. I was like, no. So I just jumped on Amazon and found some with amazing reviews, and these ones are super loud. I use them every day. You guys always like see them on Snapchat. I think they're around the $40 mark, like they're pretty cheap. So I'll put those down there if you guys want to pick those up or ask for them for Christmas or anything. What else at the gym? I just listen to like, I don't know, rap, pump up music, any remixes that I can find. So as for when I work out, I always have my pre-workout. It's the First Form Megawatt V2, I believe. They just changed the name. And I mix that with the BCAAs, which is the branched chain amino acids. So if you guys have never used a pre-workout or BCAAs, you can sip them in 2 different bottles if you would like. To me, I like the flavor, so I just mix them together and I just knock it out. The BCAAs do really help with muscle soreness and to relieve tension. So if you start to lift heavy weights, you're able to lift multiple days a week without feeling very sore and without really having like a lot of tension in your muscles. I always recommend to do foam rolling and lots of stretching before you do cardio or weightlifting. That's something that's really helped me because I've definitely had workouts where I haven't had much time. I've had to like go pick up Christian quickly or something, and I've gone right into the workout with no stretching, and the next day I can barely move. Like I already have pretty bad back problems as it is. I still need to figure out exactly what that is, but I've always had really bad lower back pain. So in addition to not stretching, having all my other muscles be super tense is just so painful and you're not able to go to the gym the next day. So I'm gonna put both of those products down below as well. Literally everything I'm talking about, I'll list the names of it all down there because I know it's a lot. So if you're new to my channel, First Form is just the products that I choose to use for everything. For my pre-workout, my supplements, my protein, and that is not because I'm sponsored by them. If you go on their website under like sponsored athletes, I'm not like listed there. I don't get like a monthly salary from them or anything, but I'm part of their Legionnaire program where I purchase my own products myself because I truly believe in their company. Like I found them last year through a podcast from the CEO, Andy Frisella, which is so amazing. You guys should definitely download it. It's called the MFCEO podcast on iTunes. I believe it's free, and they also have it on YouTube. But he just talks all about like creating his company and going from absolutely having nothing, like sleeping on a couch in his first retail store, making no money, to being super successful as he is now. It's really inspirational. You guys should definitely check that out. But I've been using their products since last August, since I started with the tea and with like truly getting strict on my fitness journey and going to the gym. So I will always have a link in the down bar for any First Form products. You're able to get free shipping if you want to purchase anything through my link. I am extremely grateful. I want to say thank you so much. But I do purchase whatever like new products from them that come out. I do make my own orders and everything. If you guys have any questions on First Form, you can definitely shoot me an email. I will be happy to give you guys any knowledge that I have. I also am a part of their weekly calls whenever they have new products coming out. So I'm getting educated from people in the company about exactly which product is what and how it can help every type of individual, whether you want to gain muscle or lose weight. So if you guys do have any questions, let me know. But what I personally use is the Bliss Pack, which it's these right here. It's the Bliss, Thyrodrive, and Opticore, which I talked about again multiple times on my channel in tons of other weight loss videos. I always talk about the same things, so you can find more info in my old videos, but that's a women's fat loss, like fat burning stack, which works very, very well for my body. That's also how I had dropped some significant weight last year. And then I took a little break from the supplements because you're not supposed to be on them year round. You don't want to be dependent on them. But again, if you're eating healthy and you're really working out in the gym and you want something to add into your routine to help you lose the weight faster and also see definition if you just barely started lifting weights, I highly, highly recommend that stack. It's worked really, really good for me. I'm gonna try and include some pictures in this video of how I used to look, not too fabulous, and how I'm currently looking now, which I'm still not at my full goal, but it's definitely helped me to slim down overall, like over 20 pounds. And I'm down over like 30-ish pounds since college too. Like in college I was like completely my heaviest. So since that time in my life, I think I've kept off like probably over 30 pounds and then almost 20 again like this year. So overall just doing really well with everything I have in my routine. It works really well for my body. I love working out. The other thing from First Form I wanted to mention is my favorite protein, which I've talked about in a lot of the videos of what I eat in a day. This is just a level 1 protein. So this one is chocolate peanut butter cup. They also have a new cinnamon toast crunch flavor, I believe, and a ice cream sandwich or ice cream milkshake, which is the one I had before I ordered this one, which you guys asked like how I use that. I'll do soy milk or coconut or almond milk, some ice, a banana, a scoop of PB2, and some cinnamon. And that's such a good shake. It's really, really filling. Just for one scoop of this protein, it is, let's see here, 25 grams of protein for one rounded scoop. And you do get a full 30 servings per container, 30. Yeah, so you get 30 scoops in here, but the scooper is huge. So a lot of you have asked, like, does this last a month? You can make it last 2 months if you want to have a little bit less. Totally up to you. And they have a few different kinds of protein on their website. I'll put them all down below. But they're really well average price, if that makes sense. If you go to like GNC or bodybuilding.com, proteins can be like up to $60 or $70 for a big tub like this, which is crazy. I think theirs is only like 45 bucks. So they definitely do cater to the consumer and people who are on a budget, which we already know that I love. So anywho, if you guys have any questions on any of that, let me know. But yeah, I've just been honestly feeling so much better lately, and I'm excited to kind of lose this last 10, 11 pounds by the end of the year and just feel even better going into the new year. I'm loving all the inspiration and sweet comments from you guys on Instagram. I'm gonna continue doing those little 1-minute videos because they're very fun for me to record in the gym and to like edit and do the music and stuff. I wanna incorporate those more onto my social medias, so it's just nice to see that you guys like seeing those. So yeah, if you guys have any other weight loss tips for yourself or what has worked for you, leave it down below. I will come on my channel here and do another update before the end of the year and let you guys know where I'm at. So let's get into the little clip of my kind of physique update and how I'm currently looking. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next update.